Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fold a camellia, which is this cool little flower here. Now this is a traditional model. I'll be using a 6-inch sheet of kami. Now we're going to start with the colored side down. Now we'll valley fold in half along both of the diagonals. So we'll bring this top right corner down to the bottom left corner. Hold both those corners in place and then crease it all the way across. And then unfold. Now we'll bring the top left corner down to the bottom right corner. Then crease that corner to corner. And unfold. Next we'll bring this bottom edge in to lie along this diagonal crease. Just make sure it lines up all the way out to this corner and then crease it down. Next we'll bring this right edge in to lie along this diagonal. Should extend all the way up to that top right corner. Next, we're going to make a bit of an unusual fold. So we're gonna, if you see this existing crease line right here, we're going to form that mountain fold. And then this point is going to extend out this way and lie along this line. And it's going to form a valley fold that runs right along this edge that's underneath the paper. So I'll show you what I mean. Form this valley fold, or this mountain fold. And then just bring that point out right along this line. Both the edges should line up. And then you'll just flatten everything, making a couple new creases as you flatten it. Just like that. I'm going to unfold that and show you one more time. Next, we're going to take this top edge and bring it down to lie along this diagonal. Now we're going to make a crease very similar to the one that we made in the previous step. So we're going to take this existing mountain fold and then pinch that together and bring this point out. This time we have another reference for it. It'll be right where these edges meet. We'll crease that all down. Next, we're going to bring this point over to meet this point. Then you can crease that down. Now we'll make another fold just like those other ones. We'll take this mountain fold, form that, and then this point is going to swing out to this side right here. You can press that all down. Next we need to swing this flap over, so it'll bring this point out to this point. Just to get that out of the way. Next, we're going to bring this layer that's trapped underneath, we're going to bring that out to the top. So you just untrap that layer, and then press it down. This fold is going to reverse. So turn that into a mountain fold, and then you should be able to press everything down. Then we'll make another crease like those other ones. So we'll form that mountain fold, then bring it out to this point, crease it all down. Next, we'll just swing this flap back and then tuck it under the flap below it. Then we'll tuck this flap into the pocket below it. And there you have it. Now I like to make it just slightly three-dimensional. So if you just kind of push in on each of these points at the same time, and then let it go, it'll just bring the petals up a little bit. It should look something like that. I just like to make it a little more three-dimensional. But we're all done. Now, if you liked this video, make sure to subscribe, and thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time.